Hi everybody. If you're thinking I'm looking particularly glamorous today, it's probably the pearls. Seriously, today is for Roberta on Instagram and she's asked me for a salted caramel cake filling, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make, and then I'm going to scantily clad a chocolate cake with it. Here we go. So in a pan I've got salt, sugar and double cream, heating those up to 119 degrees. It takes about 6 minutes. Transfer to a bowl to go completely cold. I'm baking here my chocolate cakes, and then when I'm ready to make my frosting, I whisk up my butter, pop in that caramel, and it blends together to make a lovely silky smooth filling. I'm going to fill my chocolate cakes here. I've got 3 sponges, and then finish off with a crumb coat and then top off with a layer of ganache. Beautiful.